heating, cooling, and domestic hot water in one system, excellent thermodynamic performance, electric auxiliary heating, all-in-one design and easy installation. KAWM 5.1. Save up to 80% energy. EV enhanced vapor injection, stable operation in an ultra-cold climate, in fact even as low as 30 C. Electric auxiliary heating, maximum heating reaches 75 C. Enjoy a large amount of running water without residual heat. There are more options to choose from.